He could have turned around. Well, a guy was trying to get through and push his way through instead of turning around or stopping and waiting. These cars are just chilling out. They can easily turn around. But yeah, he just pushed his way through and then rolled coal really hard and just like blasted everybody with his exhaust. Yeah, that's basically what happened. And this is like the tire, this is like from him burning out, like in front of people. So that's like the aftermath, as you can see, like right there, right there. We got somebody maybe trying to come through. Let's see what, yeah, all these other cars are turning around too. As you can see, that truck just didn't want to turn around, didn't make an attempt. He just pushed his way through. We were just doing a silent moment of silence. He couldn't wait. It was dead silent here. Everybody's kneeled to the ground, and yeah. No, nobody was throwing smoke. That was a truck trying to like blast through everybody.
The people united will never be defeated. The people united will never be defeated.